The pride of Korean press industry for the world's best quality product, Dongshin Press. Based on accumulated technology and experience, leading the press machine manufacturing companies in Korea, Dongshin Press was developed. From a small press to the larger size, with high-precision processing apparatus, manufacturing facilities, and the best assembly lines. We've been a leader of press-making companies in the 21st century. High capacity, high strength, and high precision. Dongshin Press prides itself on the best quality in the industry, representing the world's best press industry in the Republic of Korea. A pillar of the Korean press machine. Since Dongshin Press was established in 1968, we have been producing the best press machines at superior quality. For only the press, Dongshin Press has been advancing toward a progression as a superfine enterprise of press manufacturing field that is built up on a technological know-how with justice and a substantial management. We have high-tech welding lines, large high-precision processing lines, and the assembly lines with the best know-how. By managing all processes directly from manufacturing, installing demonstration to the AS, we are equipped with the internal systems to deal with a quick delivery in a timely manner. Also, there are 3 factories running, including Dongshin Metal, a subsidiary company of Production Moldings, and 2 other factories that have finished the groundwork to complete construction in the first half of 2008. We are focusing on maximizing the productivity and enhancing the competitiveness. Since the foundation to make the world's best press, our Dongshin Press has followed only one path. As the winner of many awards, and we have been nominated the most promising of small and medium export companies. We have achieved a stable growth each year since the exports reached $3 million in 2003. From the CE certification that meets the world standard to the ISO 9001 certification in order to build a quality control system. We are obtaining a superior position in the market with the recognized core technology, making it possible to run on the highway of marvelous growth. Dongshin in the globalizing world. Dongshin Press has looked to the overseas market since 1999, starting from Southeast Asia market and now even to the ones in America, Europe, Russia, China, and Japan, etc. We are exporting to all companies of the world, and so far we have exported more than 300 units to over 30 countries around the world. However, we are continuously endeavoring to have a constant investment on products and sales, as to open up a new market, increasing our market share with our accumulated know-how. High techniques with competitiveness. Dongshin Press, practicing a pioneering to reform with high technology. With an idea that the second-place product technology cannot survive, we are implementing a non-stop research and investment for a product development along with a quality improvement. These constant efforts lead to the unique technique of our own that is proven by Dongshin's excellent products. The distinguished plunger guide method with an excellent right and parallel angles from holding and eccentricity. Allowing an exact electric control applied first on the C-type press and bringing an inverter motor into practical use. Compatible with peripheral device and easy to operate. Encoder and cam position of digital system. Automatic lubricating pump with a separated board and timer by an impact resistant structure. Moreover, through a distinguished manufacturing from other press companies, Dongshin Press is making an effort to make a more practical product with strong durability. Revolution of the Korean press, Dongshin Press. By a pause motion stopping at a low dead point using knuckle tools. When the machine starts to operate, it has a reduced vibration with a solid frame structure that functions based on a strong power and fits well to a high-precision product in which flatness matters significantly. Due to the recognition of its high price in the past, the demand was scarce, but it was reborn with an affordable cost after passing constant development. Now it's been settled as a Dongshin Press new strategic good. Servo press is a product that can be customized for operating press motion as an alternative in the press market. It was studied and developed by Dongshin Press's own technology. Dongshin's efforts on popularization in the press are being continued. Given that servo press was developed in order to cope with various fundamental material changes in the future, We strongly believe that it is to be settled as a mainstream model for the future press market. Multi-servo press is a new product that has made a substantial price cut, with its new unique technology and simultaneously maintaining the strength of servo press. Unlike the existing servo press that NC controller commands to the servo driver in order to operate a servo motor. Multi-servo press uses a different way that PLC controller delivers a command to an inverter, which enables to resolve a lot of technological problems. Hence, it is the product of unique technologies in various parts. Multi-servo press is the world's first crystalline of Dongshin press's technological power. We are now shaking up the servo press market from a high unit price that foreign manufacturers such as Japan and Germany have dominated. By developing a low-priced public type of servo press, it will be a new landmark in technological development. This innovative press that satisfies with a good price and quality, with Dongshin Press's strategic goods for the next generation, is making a strong resolution as a new history and leader of servo press market. Multi-servo press is applying for a patent at the moment, and will be completing the framework for a mass production in the first half of 2008. In addition, Dongshin's plunger press that prides itself on high precision with high parallelism, most generally used crank press. During ride falls, it exercises at a slow speed near the low dead point. Link press is specialized in functions on drawing products. Crankless link press does not allow any transformation during a high load due to a powerful frame and can be widely applied for high precision processing products. Two crankless link press combine merits with crankless and link press. The techniques that have been accumulated from the keen development and endeavors has become a solid ground of Dongshin press that other rival companies cannot challenge. Besides the all products of Dongshin press, from purchasing new materials, cutting, welding, heat treatment, frame processing, assembly, to coloring, are handled through all these processes directly, so that it corresponds to customers' various demands, taking less time from order to delivery, and seeks for high precision of press, processing great quantities of the latest processing apparatus. Especially Dongshin Press's pentagonal processing machine is able to process a maximum of 2,500 tons, and will be a footing for producing the high precision large press. And one more thing, the large shortening machine that can handle 50 tons of weight eliminates stress from the welded frame and enables to do after treatment on its surface, so it brings a cost reduction and a high-level completion of products. In the addition, armed with its own manpower and technology on electrical parts, so-called, a brain and nerves of the press, we have got an advantage to correspond directly and rapidly to any part of the world, including domestic countries. In the furiously competing domestic and overseas market environment, now keep your eyes on Dongshin Press, that stands for the pride of Korea press, and now the world market. Dongshin Press, recognized by quality, scrupulous post-management, and the best competitive power high technique. We promise to stay prestigiously in the press machine industry in the future as well.